Welcome to Snowy Blowy Mountains, home to a snow leopard named Zappa. He's really a cool cat.
Cool!
Are you ready to find Zappa?
Stay try to keep warm.
Hey!
Ah!
To everybody. Woohoo!
What's happening, cats?
Oh, hey everyone, me Zappa, the snow leopard.
Hi, Zappa. I'm Nick. I'm Sadie. You're a really great sneak upper. Can you show us how you do it so we can sneak up on my mom?
Oh, I'd be happy to. That is, if there was anything around to sneak up on, like a blue sheep. Oh, I so love sneaking up a blue sheep.
Then how about I pretend to be a blue sheep in a game of Snowy Blowy play hunting?
Yeah!
Prove it.
Bah! Bah! I'm a blue sheep. How do you do? I love to eat grass. How about you? I sure hope no one's trying to sneak up on me.
He'll see us.
Not if we chill and stay still. My grade for a leopard spot make me hard to spot.
Who said that? Let's sneak up closer.
Not yet. Be cool.
Well, I guess Nick and Sally aren't in any rush to sneak up on me.
He's not looking. Time to go. Nice and slow.
Boing, boing. Aha!
Most sneaker uppers try not to make a sound.
That's easy for you with those big furry feet.
Where is everybody?
Surprise!
I didn't see that coming. You made great sneaker uppers.
Oh yeah, we big cats are the best. You should meet my friend Swifty the cheetah. Oh, she's cool too.
Really?
Oh, funny you should mention Swifty. We're off to see her right now. Goodbye.
Thanks, Zappa.
Remember, if you want to be great sneaker uppers, be still, be slow, and be quiet.